These bacteria possess the ability to conduct electricity as if they were electrical wires powering the device that you're watching this on right now. Cable bacteria, formerly classified as Candidatus Electrothrix, are a group of electrically conductive bacteria that have a broad range of technical applications and play an integral role in maintaining the sediment biochemistry of aquatic systems all over the globe. When you think of unique and special creatures of the ocean, you may think of the ocean megafauna, like whales and sharks, or the smaller leafy sea dragon, or even a mantis shrimp. But what about something below the water, buried within the sediment, microscopic, able to influence sediment biochemistry of entire aquatic systems, and most of all, able to conduct electricity? These microscopic bacteria that you probably haven't heard of lie beneath the water nearly all over the world and have the potential to change how we power our cell phones. These marine microbes, known as cable bacteria, are of the Desulfobobaceae family within the Delta Proteobacteria phylum. Individual cells, roughly 5 micrometers in length, are able to link to one another, forming filamentous colonies. These chains of cable bacteria extend over long distances relative to their size, with large colonies measuring up to several centimeters, covering distances equivalent to up to 10,000 times their average individual cellular size, all while being approximately 1/100th of the diameter of a human hair. Despite only being fairly recently discovered back in 2010, cable bacteria are not uncommon and are found worldwide in marine and freshwater sediments. However, they reside in a very specific region of the sediment profile. Cable bacteria filaments form vertically in the sediment, connecting well-oxygenated surface layers to layers below with increasingly less and less oxygen. Connecting lower sediment layers to those above, cable bacteria are able to transport electrons along their filament, producing electrical currents that are even strong enough to be measured by scientists in the field. What is even more amazing is the physiological feature that allows them to perform such a feat. Electrically conductive fibers that run along the inner membrane of cable bacteria are responsible for this feature, although little is known about the structural mechanism behind how they do this. This does provide a potential area for research and innovation if we can uncover the cellular mechanism behind this conductive property. Our cell phones and computers one day could be wired by cable bacteria-inspired mechanisms. These bacteria also have the potential for remediation in areas of high point source nutrient loading and anoxia, leading to the toxic buildup of chemicals like sulfide. The aquaculture industry is currently a promising candidate for cable bacteria to prove their potential for remediation. Beneath many aquaculture pens, fish detritus and excrement can build up, causing local hypoxia beneath pens and accumulation of sulfide in the sediments. Scientists can use what are known as sediment microbial fuel cells to promote the growth of cable bacteria colonies, helping to mitigate the accumulation of sulfide in the local environment. Having been recently discovered, further research on these fascinating microbes is needed to fully describe their ecological impact and potentially incorporate their conductive mechanisms into our own technology. For more videos on marine species, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.